Finally, let's make sure you get paid accurately. Return to the HR module and tap Timesheets. This dashboard is your command center for shifts, timesheets, and leave. While your company might use kiosk check-ins or manager approvals, today we'll show you how to log your own time. Just tap Check-in. Select the job or project you're working on. The system can even filter this to show only your assigned projects. To keep things secure, Kynection uses a smart geo-fencing feature, meaning you can only check into a site when you're actually there. Your manager might require specific details, so you can select your exact task or milestone and manually select allowances or let the system apply them for you automatically. Punch in your start time, confirm any required allowances, and log your checkout time and break duration. Need to leave a note for the boss? Tap the notes section and type it out, or save time by using the handy voice capture feature. Tap the tick icon to save and submit. Just like that, your timesheet lands on your manager's dashboard for approval. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother workday with Kynection.